This is another episode of Let's Game Dev. Good morning, everybody. So, got lots to do. So, as you remember, if you saw yesterday's episode, you remember that I was implementing the throw bone, which you can see here. And we got the problem that no collision is detected by calling the on collision or on trigger methods. So I want to fix that. First of all, I create a empty game object and I will call it throw bone. Then let me see objects. Where is my throw bone? Oh, well, not in here. Oh. Graphics. Scene. Tiles. Oh, it's not in tiles. There. Where did I put this? There it is. Here's the throw bone. And I'll attach it. Sprite renderer throw bone. So an add component throw bone script. And let's edit the script. I just want to double check the on trigger enter function. On trigger enter 2D. So collider to the collider to the collision. Just take all that stuff, put it in here, delete that one. Alright, collision. Update, I don't need to avoid update. And what I need next is, just for testing purposes, private void on, no, not on trigger, on collision, enter 2D. There we go. So, and for testing purposes, I will have a debug.log and on trigger. Why do I have on trigger exit? On trigger enter. Just copy that. On collision enter. So I want to see if my throw bone is detecting any collision or any trigger enter if I set the collider to be a trigger. Alright, then where's my throw bone object? It is here. We got a sprite renderer. zero everything out. Okay, here is my throw bone. Just put it over here so I can see it. And I guess I have to put it to the layer. Let's put it to the layer middle ground. Change the children to, well, middle ground is not enough. Then put it to the player layer. Hello? Why is it still behind? Let me see. Layer, player, sorting layer, player. No, it's good. Or maybe we set it to the middle ground. No, it should be the player layer because the player will throw this bone, so I think it's good to organize it on the player layer. Alright, let's test. So let me double check. I got... oh, there's still some components missing, so on the throw bone I want to add a component collider. Box collider 2D will do. Zero everything out. Don't know why this is always starting with some weird values. Oops. That was not exactly what I wanted. Let me see, why is this collider with such an offset? Huh. Edit. Put the collider there to fit the bone shape. Well, the bone is still blurry. I don't like that. But for now, it's good. Okay. And then what we need is a rigid body. Rigid body 2D. Set it to dynamic. Alright. Then, yeah, should be fine. Okay, let's test. Oh, there we go. Oh, guys, this is so stupid. I was wondering yesterday, you saw it. I was wondering why the hell this thing is not detecting any collision, any on trigger enter, any on collision enter. And I was trying everything, researching, checking my collision metrics, checking different kinds of settings here, but it was not working. And the reason why, actually, was because I simply dropped my image into the scene, and then I put all the components on this image. But what I didn't do, I didn't create a game object. And sometimes the most simple mistakes are the ones you're gonna search for ever and don't know why it's not working. Let's have some good coffee here. Well, alright. Now I have here my my game object. And now it's working. That's good. Okay. But I don't like this blurry kind of shape. So I want to try something. I have under no, it's not under objects. Well, let me see. Here are some bones. Maybe I can use those. I want to double this one. Okay, let me see. To the game assets. What the heck? No. It's in here. Assets, graphics, scene, and then under tiles, there's the bone. There's the throw bone. I want to copy that one and paste it. Call it bone underscore single. I don't know if I can use it, but I will try. Okay, let me see. There's the bone single. Open in sprite editor. And here you see it's not that blurry. And let me see. Going to make it smaller. I think I can't rotate it in the sprite editor, or can I? No, I don't think so, but I can apply that one. And now I should have the bone like, hello. If I drag the bone in here, it's still the same, okay. That is not what I was hoping for. Okay, let's delete that one. Bone single. Editor. I can't edit it in here. I wished I could. How can I can't trim. Apply. Okay, it's not working. What else do we have? Custom outline. What is that? Okay. Whatever. Then I have to redo this one. Let me see. Got the bone single. Edit with GIMP. I really don't like the blurry stuff. Not cool. Okay, what I want to do here is rotate. Let me see if this is working without getting everything blurry. Whoops. That's not straight. Wow. Ah, damn it. Look at that. What kind of bullshit is that? Interpolation. Okay, I have to use another kind of interpolation. Maybe this one. Just test. Well, it's slightly better, but not that. What the heck? Interpolation none. Well, at least it's not blurry, but I don't like the results. Man, how can that be that complicated? Better that way? Well, slightly better. Try that one. Huh. You see it, guys. Linear. I don't like it. None. Well, that's the looks pretty shitty. Okay, I have to make a decision, and my decision will be to have the rotation with non-interpolation. Let me see, is this kind of straight? Seems like. Place it somewhere in the middle. Yeah, okay, I will go with that. It's not the best result, but it's okay. Remove that one. File. Save. Got the bone single. There we go. So let's see, this is one bone, this is the other one. I don't like both of them. They are both pretty shitty. Man, this is annoying. Maybe I should try something else. Kind of repaint this. Oh well, yeah, but the size should be way smaller. Well, there we go, 1 pixel. 1 pixel will do. Alright. Then I need some color. Okay. Okay, that way I can kind of fix these artifacts. Make it look a little bit clearer. This is like pixel art. Let me remove this one. Yeah. I think this is pretty okay. Let me see, how does it look? Not that super good, but well. I never did pixel art so far. Seems to be fun. How does it look? Looks better. Really looks better. Let's take this. There we go. Whoops. I actually kind of hated pixel art. Sorry to say that, but I thought it's not that cool. But maybe I was wrong. Seems to be pretty cool. Okay, it looks definitely better. But I have to do some corrections here. What kind of thing do we have? Okay. All right. Yeah, I think this is fine for now. Not the best one, but I think I can go with that. Yes, I will leave it like that. I'm gonna save it and gonna export as bone single. Replace, yes. Okay, enough time wasted on that one. Let's check the results. Yeah, I think it's better than, yeah, it's okay. You got this kind of, well, all right. And if I zoom in on that one, yeah, it's okay. Good. Then let me see. We got the throw bone picture. It did refresh, didn't it? Throw bone. It still looks blurry to me. Maybe I have to remove that one. Bone single. Oh yeah, I got the bone single. Bone single. Zero it out. Right. Whoops. Okay. Well, then I have to edit the collider again. Closing in. Yeah, that's okay. All right. All right. Oh yeah, here we got the issue with the order layer. Put it to the player layer. Let's see. There we got the collision. Entering the collision. Alright. I'm pretty okay with that. So let me see. We got this blah blah blah. Alright. What I want to do now I have it as a game object here, but I don't have it as a prefab. So in my prefabs folder I got the throwbone prefab. Delete this one and put the throwbone in there. There we go. Then I can delete the throwbone from the scene. And now getting back on my player, we got the player attack script. There is a missing game object on the throwbone. Assign the throwbone save and test. Hello there. And there we go. On a throwbone, and we have a collision. Yeah. Oh, I love spamming that one. Look at that. Whee. Yeah, I really love that. So, okay. Back to the throwbone script. What I wanted to do here is when he is going, okay, I have to take this logic and put it to the onCollisionEnter, because that's what we're going to use. OnTriggerEnter will not be used because I would have to make the collider as a trigger, and I don't want that. OnTriggerEnter, clean everything. Me. There we go. Okay. OnCollisionEnter did 2D. If collision is trigger true, we can let's remove that. Collider dot is trigger. There we go. You have to change it from collision, which is the object it is colliding with, and then get the collider from that object and check if it is a trigger. Okay, so if collision dot collider dot compare tag, that should work. Collision dot collider dot compare tag player. All right. So if I did it right, it should deliver some damage to the enemies when I hit them. So let's see. Making some space here. I'll make it bigger. All right, let's go. There we go. Okay, we're knocking back the player, and we're even putting some damage. Well, there we go. She's dead. But what I want to check is, are they despawning? No, they aren't, right? I move on to the next enemy because I want to see. Yes, it is despawning. But we got some problems with the instancing of the enemies, so let me just fix that. Okay, because this one is actually, this is crap. I have multiple instances of my enemy, and it should not grab the global reference. So I will comment that out. Get in here and say collision dot game object dot get component or can we send message upwards? Maybe send message upwards and then say string enemy damage and the value which I want to set to, let's say 10. Okay, let's see if this is working. Should be. It should be working. So this way I am accessing the actually the instance, the enemy AI instance of that particular enemy I am colliding with. Okay, it is delivering damage to the first one, that's good. And let's see what we got here. There we go. Oh, and look at that. Was it what I thought? No, it wasn't. Okay, some are... Whoa, look at that. Okay, some of them are returning. Wow, look at that. Where is it colliding? Okay, we got some kind of behavior where the bone returns. That's what I wanted it to be. I have to test this, do more testing on it. Whoa! Whoa!
Make me dead.
Okay. What the heck? Okay. No, it's not what I thought it is. Alright, but this is working. I thought it is triggering this one, but it isn't. And if at least not properly. But I will insert a debug.log and say boomerang. Okay. Compare tag enemies. Destroy game object. Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna need another bool. Private bool returning. So what this is gonna do, we set returning equals false. So and what I'm gonna do, if it is returning, I set returning equals to true, and then it will collide with something else, and what I want to check is if else if returning equals true, if returning is true, I want to destroy the game object to avoid some kind of looping returning behavior, so it bounces off from one obstacle, then it returns to the next obstacle, bouncing off from there, returning. I want to avoid that, and so I destroy the game object after the first return. Alright. So let's test again. I actually want to know if this method gets triggered in some kind of way. I got if collision compare tag is not player, then I want to have it adding force and returning like a boomerang. But this will something I will do tomorrow because time's up. Need to go to my main job. So thank you very much for watching. You will see me in the next episode. Stay awesome. I love to see you then. Have a good day. Bye bye.